One students, today we will start the new chapter, determinants. Okay, continuation chapter of this matrix. Already know in determinant how to do that 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, cofactors, minors, and A inverse. All will learn in previous chapter. Now in this properties. Okay, what are the properties of determinants? First property, suppose if you take a matrix A is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay, its determinant is equal to like some value. Take transpose, rows and columns are changing. Rows and columns are changing means A transpose. Then the determinant of value remains unchanged. That is the first property. That implies A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3 will get same answer, same determinant. Therefore, det of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. That is the first property. Okay. Next, any two rows or two columns changing. Suppose from this, any two columns or two rows interchange means B1, B2, B3, A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. Like this. R1 means here what you have to change? R2, R1 interchange 1 to 1. Then sign of the determinants will change. Sign of the, here is delta. That value is equal to minus something. Anyone, either 15 means this is minus 15. So that is the second property. Third property. Two rows or two columns are identical. Means same elements are same corresponding elements. Therefore, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Third row also A1, A2, A3. So, first and third row are equal or means identical. Then its value is equal to 0. Or two columns are either two columns are identical, elements are same. Then the value of the determinant is equal to 0, right? Otherwise, suppose this value is equal to sum k into a1, k into a2, k into a3 proportional. So that means a1 by third row element k into a1, this is equal to a2 by or like this k into a2 or like this also. Not only this one. This is C1, C2, C3. Now, A1 by B1, A2 by B2, A3 by B3. Like this also, they are treated as identical. Means some proportional value. This element to this element to this, some proportional value. Then that time also, this determinant value is equal to 0. Okay. Right. Next. Fourth one. In the determinant, either row or column can be expressed a1 plus x1, a2 plus x2, a3 plus x3. In a determinant, either row or a column expressed sum of two or more elements. Sum of two or more elements, then the resultant determinant can be expressed as sum of the two determinants. Either row or column, here in this column, otherwise we will take one more example in the row, that also can be expressed as sum of the two determinants. And next, determinant of AB. Determinant of AB is equal to det A into det A. So this is one of the property. And next, suppose the elements in a row or column and equal multiples of another row and add these two, then the resultant matrix is the given matrix. How means? Suppose A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. This is the given determinant. So what is the property means? A1 plus some proportional element means K into C1, A2, K into C2, A3 plus K into C3. Next B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. So above this property we can express as A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Okay. Plus K into C1, K into C2, K into C3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Observe the second matrix, second determinant, third row, first row, proportional. So then the value of the determinant is equal to 0. Remaining answer is that only. So these are the properties, some properties of the determinants. Using these properties, can solve the problems without expand sometimes easily. Okay. Next, area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Given 3 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the vertices of the triangle. Then the area of the triangle is equal to x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay. So the 3 points are collinear means half. Area of the triangle is equal to, using determinants method, half of this formula. Suppose collinear, they are collinear means this determinant is equal to 0. So to find, suppose given 2 points A x1 y1, B x2 y2, find the equation of the line using determinants method. So that in place of x3 comma y3, take x1 and solve the problem. Put is equal to 0. Why means straight line means in the same line, it is not a triangle. Okay, right? Then the area of the triangle is equal to 0. That is nothing but a collinear or a straight line. And remember, second exercise means a problem, determinants problem, some standard the problems treated as some results. For example, 1, 1, 1, first row. Second row, A, B, C. Third row, A square, B square, C square. What is the resultant answer? RHS value, A minus B, B minus C, and C minus A. Like that, some problems are there. Remember, sir, that values like a standard results, right? And in this, suppose either in a row or in a column, all zeros are there. These are the A1, A2, A3, C1, C2, C3. This result determinant value directly equal to 0. Determinant value directly equal to 0. Okay. Either all the elements are zeros of any row or any column. The value is equal to 0. And one more thing to remember. This one, all elements are in one. Like A, B, C, like the problems in our second exercise problems, A square, B square, this is the problem. Better to make all ones in a column or a row to make zeros two elements by the some operations. Here operations C1 gives C1 minus C2, C2 gives C2 minus C3, right? So use this some tips solve the determinants problems. And one more thing, this also. Concurrent lines. What is meaning of concurrency? So three or more lines passing through same point. The lines are concurrent lines. That is A1x, B1y, C1z is equal to 0. B1y, A2y, B2y, C2z is equal to 0. A3y, B3, B not x, A2x, A3x, B3y, C3z. Its determinant value, quotient of determinant value is equal to also 0, right? And next, second degree equation in terms of x and y. Second degree equation in terms of x and y, general second degree equation, that is nothing but pair of straight lines. Ax square 2hxy by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 given means this also a h g h b f and this one g f c. So this value also is equal to 0, right? Next, triangular matrix. What is the triangular matrix? In these two cases, upper triangle and lower triangle. Suppose this one 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, minus 2, 0, 0 and 6. So A, I, J, here each element, this element is A 2, 1. So in this case, A 3, 1, this one, A 3, 2, observe I, J. So always, what is the condition? These are called in down elements or means I greater than J. I greater than J condition elements are 0 means called upper triangle. This triangle is called upper triangle. Right? Suppose these elements are equal to 0. What are these elements? A 1 2, A 1 3, A 2 3. In this case, I less than j. This case is I less than j. This is called lower triangle. 1 2, otherwise 3 2 minus 4. This is called lower triangle. Right? Okay. It is either upper triangle or lower triangle. That matrix is called triangular matrix. In this triangular matrix, what is its determinant value is equal to product of its diagonals. Product of its diagonal in the triangular matrix. This is the triangular matrix definition. Okay, solve these problems. First question: coefficient of x in f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to x 1 x square. After solving determinant, they ask quotient of x. In first case, x as it is take 1 plus sin x value. These are the expansions. Suppose you have material this in the limits book, there are the formulas are there. E power x. Otherwise, NCERT books back consider e power x value what and sin x values, cos x value, log of 1 plus values. Expansions are there. This implies x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus and so on. So that you substitute 1 plus x minus x cube by 3 factorial whole square. They ask only x quotient. Next, cos x. So cos x is equal to 1 minus x square by 2 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial plus and so on. Just they ask x quotient means in place of cos x substitute 1 minus x square by 2 factorial. Right. Next, 1 log 1 plus x. Log 1 plus x value is equal to 1 minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus and so on. Therefore, in place of log 1 plus x, 1 minus x square by 2 and so on enough. Why means they ask x quotient only. 1 minus. Right. Next, here is 2. Next, x square. Next, 1 plus x square. Next, 0. Okay. Log 1 plus x. Sorry. This is x. This is x. Enough. Right. Sin x, cos x, log 1 plus x, expansions. Those are x whole square is there means this value 1 no problem. X square we want only x means these elements neglect. So take 1. Here also take 1. Why means x square is there, neglect that one. We want only quotient of x. Right. Here also 1. Here we take x. Take 2. X square as it is in the problem only given, so take x square. Okay, 1 plus x square 0. Now find its determinant. X of 0 minus 2 of 1 plus x square minus 1 of 0 minus 2x square plus 1 of 1 plus x square minus x cube. Okay, right. Any is equal. Okay, no, this is f of x is equal. Right. What is the value? This is equal to x of minus 2 minus 2x square minus into minus 2x cube plus 1 plus x square minus x cube minus 2x minus into minus 4x square, sorry, 2x cube 2x cube plus 2x cube plus 1 plus x square minus x cube. Coefficient of x of the determinant. This determinant value. After getting this determinant value, what is the quotient of x? This only. So this is the minus 2. So third option. So remember these values. Next term, the arbitrary constant on which the value of the determinant does not depend on this one. So determinant value first row 1 alpha square and the next cos of p minus d into a, like that one. Use some operations. Which operation to apply? We get some to make better to some zeros. Otherwise, we expand directly means lengthy process. So second problem, apply operation. C3 gives C3 minus C1. Okay. 1 cos of P minus D of A sin of P minus D of A. Second part, alpha cos P A sin P A. Alpha square minus 1 cos of P minus dA C3 minus C1 C3 minus C1 here this one C3 minus C1 here this element cos of P minus d into A C3 this also cos of P minus d into A, therefore that is 0. Next here element sin of P minus d into A C3 minus C1, so this minus this one, this also same, so this value also. Okay, to make two elements 0, determinant take along with more zeros in which row and which column. Better to take determinant with respect to that column or that row. That implies with respect to third column. With respect to third column, take determinant. That implies alpha square minus 1. This into PA minus DA sin PA minus this one cos PA into sin of PA minus DA. Okay, remaining 0 minus 0 plus 0. Right. This is equal to alpha square minus 1. This is in the terms of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B form. What is the formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B. Therefore, sin A minus B formula, sin A minus sin A minus B formula. Okay. Here A cancel, minus into minus plus, that is equal to alpha square minus 1 sin AD. This is the resultant answer of the matrix. They ask the arbitrary constant on which the value of the determinant does not depend on. Okay, does not depend on. Alpha is there, A is there, D is there. In this, P not there. So this determinant does not depend on P. Second option. It does not depend on P. Second option. Next, third question. Just to expand the left side determinant and the right side some values there, a into x to the power of 4 plus b into x cube. This side also will get x to the power of 4. So compare the elements and substitute 5 in place of 5a, 4b, 3c, 2d plus c. You get answer some value. Okay, do this use homework. Next, fourth one, delta of the value. Find first of all 3, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, 0, that delta value, and this a, this side a, determinant find, and both same means equate both and find out the x value. Right. Fifth question. A matrix given, delta value also minus 9 given. Then find out delta. What is delta? X minus of x minus 1 into 2x multiply and equate is equal to minus 9. Find out x values. Here every option two answers. Maybe x square will get in quadratic form. X square is equal to some values, 2 values. Right. 6%. Here also same, but I will explain. A, that A is equal to 2. But what is the matrix? Log x 1 minus log x 2 is equal to 2 given. So 2 log x minus into minus plus log x is equal to 2. 3 log x is equal to 2. Question is 3 log x. Sorry, this is minus 1. Minus into minus, here minus. Therefore, 2 log x minus log x. Log x, there is no basis, this is e. X is equal to e square. Question is x is equal to e square. Second option. 7th question. Right. In this, determinant x square plus x 3x minus 1 like that determinant given. Right side a naught a1x a2x square plus and so on given. Right side. Left side determinant given. Okay. They ask a naught value. A naught means constant. There is no coefficient. We want constant without x value. Better shortcut method. Put x is equal to 0 in the determinant. We You want x square means compulsory expand the determinant, but they ask constant means put x is equal to 0 of the left side determinant, then that is 0 minus 1. Both sides you put x is equal to 0. These terms are zeros. Therefore, the value 3, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 3, 4, this is 0 and this is a not only, remaining all zeros. Right, find out this value with respect to first row. Simplifies 0 of 0 plus 12 plus 1 of 0 minus 9 plus 3 of 3 of 4 plus 6 is equal to a naught. That implies 12 minus 9 plus 6 plus 4 10 10 3 is 30. 30 is equal to a naught. 12 minus 9 3 plus 30 is equal to a naught. A naught is equal to 33. Is there option? Okay, not there. Any mistake? 0 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 3 minus 3 4 0. Okay, 2 0 0 minus 4 is 1 derivative is 0 minus into minus plus 9 minus 9 correct. 3 of 4 plus 6 12. Sorry, 0 into something 0. Right, 0 into something. 30 minus 9, 30 minus 9, 27. 21. 21 is equal to a naught. Which option? Fourth option is the correct answer. Next, right, A question. A is equal to 1, x, 0, 0, 1, 0, x, 1. Identity matrix given and determinant of identity matrix get value is equal to 1. Clear this? Get of I is equal to 1. Any order, either 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Okay, this is the triangular matrix. I will explain what is the lower triangle, all zeros. Lower triangle means determinant of the matrix is equal to product of diagonals 1 into 1 into 1. That implies get of A is equal to 1. Okay, clear? And they ask A cube value. A cube minus 4A square plus 3A minus plus I is equal to A cube, A value 1 minus 4 plus 3 plus I. Finally, this value 4 minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Answer is I. Second option. 9%. A is equal to some matrix given, then that A is equal to, then determinant of A is equal to, A is equal to that A what? 1 log A to the base B. Change base formula. You can write like this one. Log A by log A. Change base formula. This is the formula. Log A to the base B. Log A by log B. Third element log B to the base A. This also change base formula. Log B by log A. Right? 1. Okay, that level. AD minus BC 1 minus log A by log B into log B by log A. Log A cancel, log B cancel. 1 minus 1. Answer 0. Answer 0. Option 1. Okay, this type of problem. See, once 10th question. Xp plus y, first row, sorry, first column. Xp plus y, second element of the first column, yp plus z, 0. Third row, so like this one. Xp plus y, xp plus z, 0, and x, y, xp plus y, y, z, xp plus z. This type of problems, okay, is equal to 0 given. This type of problems, either this column or this row, to make 0 these two elements. To make 0 these two elements. Okay. So I will to make first column of elements. How to make 0? How to do? C1 gives first element consider xp. So C1 minus with respect to C2, here multiple with px means okay, it will be 0. Therefore C1 minus PC2, clear? PC2. To y to cancel with respect to C3. That's why C3. Enough. Same for this also. Y into p, xp minus. Clear? Problem. Sorry, this is y. Yp. And here is xp plus y. Yp plus this also y. Yp. Yp plus yp minus yp 0. Z minus z. Remember this type of problems, right? This one xp plus y, xp minus xp minus y. This is 0. Here yp plus z here minus py 0 minus c3 minus z 0. This also 0. Now with this one 0 minus multiple with this one, so that implies xp square plus, okay, otherwise after is multiply 3 times of xp plus y minus yp plus z. This is third element of the first column. Next x, y, xp plus y, next y, z, yp plus z is equal to 0. And take determinant with respect to, so 0 remove, with respect to first column, y means first with respect to first column 0 implies y means that side is equal to 0 plus, here is minus actually, okay, however that value 0 plus minus plus minus plus minus plus, so therefore okay, plus of this one p of xp plus y minus of yp plus z into this one xz minus y square, is equal to 0. Product 2 terms product is equal to 0. Either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Options asking xyz are in AP, xyz are in GP, HP, or xy, yz, zx are in AP. Okay, from this I will take this one. Xz minus y square is equal to 0. That implies y square is equal to xz. So xyz are in GP. xyz are in GP. Suppose this type of problem reverse. xyz are in GP or xyz are in AP. What is the resultant answer? Sometimes ask directly this value 0. Options in options 0 is there, means that is answer. xyz are in GP, xyz are in AP. What is this value? Here given problem reverse is equal to 0. Then what are the xyz? GP, AP or clear? Okay, next problem. 11th question. Just to do this problem. Any operation, otherwise direct determinant. 12th question, I will explain. This is our textbook model. 1 1 1 a b c a square b square c square is equal to that value a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So therefore, what is k value? K value is equal to 1. Second option. Next, 13. The value of the determinant, that is a power x, like this one. 13. A power x plus a power minus x whole square is there. Second row, b power x plus b power minus x whole square, like that. Second column, a power x minus a power minus x. Second column, a power x minus a power minus x whole square is there. This is treated as a b. A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Some identities are there. Use that concept. That's why apply the operation. C1 gives C1 minus C2. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, formula 4ab. So that implies the value is, that implies 4ab. 4ab. Remember students, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. C1 gives C1 minus C2. Right, 4ab. 4 AB, here B. Next, third element, 4 AB. Second column elements as it is, right. A power x minus a power minus x whole square, b power x minus b power minus x whole square, c power x minus c power minus x whole square. Third column 1 1 1 1. Right. Okay. A power m into a power minus m. What is x minus x? 0. A power 0 value 1. Therefore 4 into 1, 4 into 1, 4 into 1. That implies a power x minus a power minus x whole square, b power x minus b power minus x whole square, c power x minus c power minus x whole square. 1 1 1. So first column, third column are proportional. Otherwise, take 4 common, 1 1 1. Third column 1 1 1. Which property can apply? The property of determinants is the 2 columns are 2 rows. This has to be right. 2 columns C1 and C3 are identical. Then this value is equal to 0. So option 1. Right, next. This also our textbook problem. X plus y plus 2z x y. So apply just C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. Question number 14. Just remember these are textbook problem. What you get this answer? X 2 times of x plus y plus z. All column, first column value this one. Take out column and resultant answer is equal to k into x plus y plus z whole cube. There, that is 2. So answer is second option. Next, 15 will do x is equal to minus 9 given. F of x is a root of f of x is equal to 0. Find first of all f of x. F of x in terms of quadratic equation, in terms of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to minus 9, substitute, then find other roots. Otherwise, apply this operation. 15. C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3. What is the value? First, x plus not x is equal to minus 9, not this operation. R1 gives R1 plus R2 plus R3 operation applied. What is the answer? X plus 2 plus 7, x plus 9. 3 plus x plus 6, x plus 9. 7 plus 2 plus x plus 9. Then 2x, 2, 7, 6x. So x plus 9 take common. So then x plus 9 is equal to is a root of f of x is equal to 0. Therefore 1 1 1. Then 2x2, 76x. What you understand? X plus 9 is a factor. Means x is equal to minus 9, one of the root of this one. So find x value, remaining x value. Okay, right, 16. In this delta x given. Delta x is equal to some values given. Better to hear, direct means lengthy process, some operations apply. Which operation will apply? Then we will get some easily 0, the terms to make zeros. From this, apply C1 gives C1 minus C3. First, you check which operation you apply, the terms are zeros. More means 2 terms or 1 term in 1. C1 minus C3 better. Then that value is equal to delta x value is equal to 1 plus sin x cos x sin x, right. C1 minus, okay, sorry, directly right. C1 minus C3. So 1 minus 1 cancel, cos x here. 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x cancel. Cos x minus into minus plus cos x. Sin x minus 1. Okay. Better write first to this one. Cos x. Cos x. Sin x. 1 minus cos x. 1 plus sin x. Minus cos x. 1. Okay. Now, okay, these two to make 0. So that implies C1 gives C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2. These two are to make zeros. C1 minus C2. 0. 0. So sin cancel. Sin x minus 1 minus sin x. So sin x cancel. Resultant answer minus 1. So remaining values cos x, sin x, 1 minus cos x, 1 plus sin x, minus cos x, 1. Okay. More zeros in which column or which row? Choose that only. Take determinant with respect to that column or that row. So I will take the determinant with respect to the first column. So 0, first is 0, minus 0, so plus minus 1 now. Take this determinant. Cos x of 1 plus sin x minus cos x minus cos x of 1 minus cos x. So minus, okay, multiply inside. Cos x plus cos x sin x minus cos square x minus cos x minus into minus plus cos x. Okay. Sorry, cos square x minus cos square x plus cos square x cancel. Minus cos x plus cos x cancel. Remaining answer minus sin x cos x. So this is the answer. Problem is what? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 delta x. This is delta x dx. So delta x value is what is sin x cos x. So find out its integration. Okay, delta x what? Delta x is equal to minus sin x cos x. So So integration technique means it is a typical apply like inequal formula means compared to this one, convert into trigonometric value, multiply divide by 2. This implies 2 sin x cos x minus sin 2x divided by 2. So what is given? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 delta x dx. Therefore 0 to pi by 2 delta x value minus 1 by 2 right outside. Okay, sin 2x dx minus 1 by 2 sin x integration minus cos x minus cos 2x divided by coefficient is there 2. So upper limit pi by 2, lower limit 0, minus into minus plus 1 by 4 cos 2 into pi by 2 minus cos 0, 2 to cancel. Okay, minus 1 by 4 cos pi value minus 1 cos 0 value 1. Therefore minus 1 by 4 minus 2 minus minus cancel, answer 1 by 2. Okay, for second option second minus okay, minus 1 minus 1 right here 1 by 2 second option. Next problem 17 try that also apply operation c1 gives c1 minus c2 y means 17th problem all ones are there in first row. What is the logic means all ones in either any row or any column to make 0 two terms. Apply like that operation. Either c1 gives c1 minus c2, c2 gives c2 minus c3, then we will get answer. Right. Next 18. Roots of the equation. Roots of the equation means find x values. So 18% find x values means once you observe c1 elements, first element 1 plus x, next c2 element of first 3 plus 5, all add 5 plus 3 plus 1 9 x plus 9. Okay, second row elements all add 5 plus 4 x plus, so apply operation better to this one c1 plus c2 plus c3. Therefore all here x plus 9 x plus 9 x plus 9 take common and find out. Here we get answer all 1 ones to make 0 and find out the value 19. Okay, this option so here is question number 16. Sorry, here minus not. Minus into minus plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 already. Minus into, sorry, this is okay. First option. First option of 16th problem. Next 19. A1, A2, A3 are in AP. A1, A2, A3 are in AP. What is the condition for the elements means the terms are in AP means common difference same. Common difference means second element minus first element, third element minus second elements and so on. The common difference is the same. Right. Okay. First column A1, A2, A3. Second column A2, A3, A4, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Third column all ones is there. So to make zeros, that how to get zeros means either R2 gives R2 minus R1, R3 gives R3 minus R2, like that also no problem. Okay. R2 first row A1, A2, 1, no change in R1, R2, A2 minus A1, R2 minus R1, A3 minus A2, 1 minus 1, R3 gives R3 minus R2, A3 minus, visible students, A3 minus A2. What are the elements? Okay, A4 this one. A4 minus A3. Next term, 1 minus 1. Right? A1, A2, 1. A2 minus A1, common difference D. A3 minus A2, common difference D. 1 minus 1, 0. A3 minus A2, common difference D. So A4, next term A4, A4 minus A3, that also common difference D, this 0. Okay, once you observe, R2 row and R3 row identical. So this value is equal to 0. Determinant value is equal to 0. Okay, question number 19, second option. Question number 20. Alpha beta gamma are the roots of x cube a square x plus b is equal to 0. Those are the roots of this one. Okay, we know quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Some alpha beta are the roots of the equation. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots c by a. Like this is the cubic equation, means theory of equations. Okay, theory of equation chapter, that one. Here three roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Actually, x quotient by next x square term, x quotient is there, minus x quotient by highest power quotient. Here x cube plus a square x plus b is equal to 0, right? X cube plus a square x plus b is equal to 0. There is no x square term, so that's why x cube 0 into x square plus a square into x. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to x square quotient by 0 divided by 1. Alpha plus beta plus gamma value. Next, product of the roots is equal to c by a, but product of the sum of three roots means alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha is equal to x quotient. Here is minus b by a, next c by a, next for this a square by 1. Next, alpha beta gamma is equal to b by 1. This is the concept of theory of equations. So what you get, alpha plus beta plus gamma value is equal to how much, students? 0. Now come to this problem. Problem is alpha, 20th problem, beta gamma alpha, gamma alpha beta, right? Apply operation. C1 gives C1 plus C2 plus C3, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Here is something is that one, beta gamma alpha beta. Okay, from this equation alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0. So therefore all zeros, so 0 beta gamma alpha beta. All elements of the first column are zeros. What is the determinant value? Determinant value is equal to 0. Okay, first which option? Fourth option. Okay, students, we'll continue remaining problems in next class. Thank you.